After reviewing the finalized topic and thesis assignment and looking at everyone's thesis statements, I wanted to take a few minutes to go over the essay instructions because it is a narrative essay, and I also wanted to go over the characteristics of a critical thinker to make sure that those are showing up in your essays as well. So I'm going to do a super quick video to sort of explain the assignment and make sure that everybody is on the same page. First, I'm opening up the essay assignment instructions, and I've made a little bit of an adjustment to the instructions because I wanted it to be as clear as possible. So after completing the pre-writing, right now we're at this stage. You guys just completed this and you're getting ready to start on the outline. After completing wherever you are in this process, you should be producing a narrative essay that explains how critical thinking, or the lack of it, has played a role in your life. And you're going to be telling a story. That's what a narrative essay does. It tells a story in order to illustrate your point about why critical thinking is so important in your life. So that's the overall goal. So if you think back at the thesis statement, many of you included very vague thesis statements, which are great in terms of an essay on, why critical thinking is so important. But a narrative essay needs to be a story. So you're going to be choosing a particular incident in your life to talk about, something that happened that illustrates why critical thinking is so important. If we look in the course at the under Unit 1 Personal Essay Writing, there's learning materials, and one of those pages is narrative writing. And so on that page, it talks to you a little bit about telling the story. So we're going to be writing a factual narrative based on true events that have happened in your life. There should be a plot. There should be characters and conflict. So the characters might be you and someone at work, or it might be you and a family member. The conflict comes in when there's a problem that you have to solve or a decision that you have to make. And then the theme is the idea of critical thinking and how it has either helped you or hindered you, if you didn't use critical thinking, from making a good solution or making a good decision or solving the problem in a good way. So these are the elements that I'm looking for in your personal essay. So I have graded everyone's thesis statements, and most of my comments involved make sure that you are being specific about an event or a moment in time, a story that you're going to be telling. So that was the bulk of my feedback on your thesis statements. I also would like to encourage you to review the characteristics and behaviors of a critical thinker, this webpage in the course, which really talks a lot about the specific skills that critical thinkers use. I did a separate video about this, and I'll be posting this video in the course as well and providing you with a link to it. So definitely watch this video. Essentially, we come up with a list of the characteristics and behaviors. So this list is what I'm going to be looking for in your essay. Not all of them, obviously, but you should highlight 1 or 2 or 3 of these that would have played a role or that did play a role in the story that you're telling about your life. The last thing that I want to point out about your thesis statement is that it should highlight 2 things. It should highlight the story that you're going to be telling. There should be some details in that story, and it also should highlight which critical thinking skills, or at least the idea of critical thinking skills in general, that you'll be discussing. This page has a couple of example topics, critical thinking characteristics, and thesis statements. So this might help you in polishing and revising your own. In the first example, the topic is not getting scammed, and the critical thinking characteristics that will be used are looking for logic and evidence and considering the source. The thesis statement is an I statement because you're going to be talking about yourself and something that happened in your life. So in this case, the thesis statement is, I received an email from a fake package shipping company that could have really ruined my credit, but my critical thinking skills kept me from falling for the trap. So you'll see in that thesis statement that the story is clear that's going to be told, and that critical thinking is highlighted as an important part. So that thesis statement is sort of the umbrella that the student is going to use to kind of cover all of the information in their essay. In the second example, losing a good friend over a disagreement is the topic. In this case, the student is highlighting which critical thinking skills were lacking in that situation, looking for different perspectives, considering alternatives, and understanding before criticizing. And the thesis statement that this student came up with was, after a disagreement last year over the growing BLM movement, being unable to see another person's perspective cost me one of my best friends. So again, we have a good idea of what the story is that this student is going to be telling, and we have a clear understanding of how critical thinking skills played a role. So this is what I'm looking for in your thesis statements. I'd like them to be very specific, and I'd like them to address the story as well as the critical thinking aspect. So hopefully, between this video, the critical thinking video, the list of characteristics, and the updated instructions to the personal essay, you guys are off to a great start and ready to get started on putting together an outline for your essay. Let me know if you have any questions.